Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace door latch actuator, trunk latch actuator on this 2020 Honda Accord. So open your hood. This is the tools that you guys gonna need: 10 mil and flat head. Flat head to remove those clips. So let's begin. So using your flat head, remove those clips. 1, you don't need to remove all of them. 2, just 4, the top one, just like that. Okay, pull it. Now using 10mm socket, remove 2 10mm bolts. Make sure to hold your key close to you, because the car alarm is gonna start in. Okay, remove the cable, very simple, and remove your connector. Okay, now install your new actuator. Install your cable, super simple, and screw those bolts in. 1 and 2, and guys, that's it. Super simple, super easy. Just install those clips back and you guys are ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you, bye.